Hi, I'm Doyle Bloss with HydroMaster. We're here to talk today about a very important topic for all professional carpet cleaners, and actually anyone who's involved in cleaning a carpet on a daily basis. That is what to do with your wastewater, carpet wastewater disposal. Now, whether you operate a truck mount or a portable, or even if you're using a low moisture system, you end up with cleaning waste, and how you dispose of it is very important for you to consider to be a professional cleaner. Most cleaners don't recognize this as a problem until they encounter it as one. In other words, till one of their technicians or someone else makes the mistake of disposing of wastewater outside in front of people where it creates a concern. Today we're going to talk to you about what you need to do to make sure that your company's in compliance not only with local and state and federal regulations, but also in ways to make it easier for your company to take care of this consideration. Now, you may have gotten some solutions offered to you on an online forum from a network that you belong to or other places, but some of these solutions aren't so practical. Some are just plain wrong. For example, a lot of times they'll tell you to go to a car wash. Well, that's fine if you're not the car wash owner, because the fact is that when you dispose of your carpet cleaning wastewater, especially from a truck mount at the car wash, you're putting all kinds of carpet lint and carpet fiber and other things into the recycling system at the car wash that can cause them problems. So never ever dispose of your carpet cleaning wastewater at a car wash unless you've made some kind of an agreement with the owner of the car wash. Another option that we also hear about a lot is to transport your wastewater back to your own facility, whether that facility is your garage or whether you actually have your own shop. The problem with that is that you're driving around town loaded up with up to 800 pounds of wastewater if you have a 100-gallon wastewater recovery tank, which is adding wear and tear to your van. It's reducing your fuel, it's actually increasing your fuel consumption. And it can create other problems with the distribution of weight in your van. Plus, when you get back to your facility, you still have to deal with the issue of how to dispose of the wastewater. Finally, you'll hear sometimes people talk about you can dump your wastewater onto your customer's lawn. Well, in some places, very few, but in some places that is legal. The problem is knowing where it is legal and where it's not legal. We can tell you this, that anytime you're within a close proximity to a stream, a lake, a river, it's illegal to dump on the ground, even with the permission of your customer. So what should a professional carpet cleaner do? Here's what we know. Here's what we can absolutely tell you from HydroMaster. It is illegal and unethical to dump the wastewater from your carpet cleaning operations into the storm sewer. That is, in your customer's driveway, in a parking lot, at the curb, any place that your wastewater ends up into this storm sewage system. That is federally illegal. So don't do it. So, what's your best solution? Well, we think it's the new AWDS from HydroMaster. AWDS stands for Automatic Wastewater Disposal System. The AWDS is an automatic pumping system that will pump the wastewater from your recovery tank back into the home or business, into a toilet, a janitor's closet, a bathtub, or any other access point which reaches the sewage, the sanitary sewage treatment system. That's where your wastewater needs to go from your carpet cleaning operations. The AWDS from HydroMaster is the most robust, powerful wastewater pumping system that we've ever developed. We're excited about its potential to help you manage your carpet cleaning wastewater. Now, we understand that your technicians are not exactly excited about the prospect of having to drag another hose into your customer's home or business. But the fact is, setting up an automatic waste disposal system like the AWDS is the best way for you to manage your wastewater, and it's a way that will help you be able to promote and market to your customers that you are an environmentally conscious company. The Automatic Wastewater Disposal System from HydroMaster is designed with low torque bearings to allow for more flow rate than the competition's wastewater disposal systems, while drawing the same or fewer amps. The extra large valves allow for large solids and debris to be passed through the pump without clogging or creating issues. The AWDS will pump up to 8 gallons per minute of wastewater. It has a low amp draw and it has a sturdy powder coat base. The other good news about the AWDS is it's compatible with your truck mount that you have now or ones that you'll purchase in the future. One final thing that we'd like to share with you is what are the best practices for your company for carpet cleaning wastewater disposal so you can be a good citizen in your community. The first thing is to check with your local, state, and federal regulations. Actually, the most stringent regulations for carpet cleaning wastewater disposal are usually with your local wastewater management district. Make sure you're in compliance with what they recommend or require. Secondly, make sure that your truck mount, all of your truck mounted equipment, is well serviced and that all filters are operating properly. Maintain your tanks, your filters, your hoses, and your fittings to prevent wastewater leaks or accidental discharges. Thirdly, all recovered wastewater should be pre-filtered to remove synthetic fiber and other non-biodegradable materials prior to disposal with your AWDS. In other words, use an inline filter system to get most of the crap out before you put the water into the sanitary sewage treatment system. Train all your operators, anyone who might be operating your truck mount, and your cleaning technicians on appropriate carpet cleaning wastewater disposal practices for your company. Never discharge wastewater directly into the street, curbing, parking lot, or any other area that leads directly into the storm drainage system. Never discharge wastewater directly into natural bodies of water or to land that surround natural bodies of water. And finally, the pH of your wastewater should range from 5.5 to 9 before you dispose of it into the sanitary sewage treatment system. Your AWDS, Automatic Wastewater Disposal System from HydroMaster, is the best way for you to handle wastewater by immediately pumping it back into the home or business that you're cleaning for proper disposal into the sanitary sewage treatment system. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us here at HydroMaster.